Asmongold is absolutely going to destroy Mizkif in court, and now we have comments that Mizkif has made about Emiru, which could end up leading him into more legal trouble. Of course, we're going to get into all that today on The Legal Mindset. We teach you to be your own judge. I'm Andrew Esquire, American attorney over here in Asia, and this is a fast facts video, the quick and dirty version of the latest in legal news. So let's...
Out of everything that's going on in the world, at least Mizkif is going down. Fuck, man.
Jump right into it today. If you don't know, Mizkif is in his quote-unquote demon mode, and he's gone off suing absolutely everybody, including one Asmongold over here, who is a defendant in this lawsuit, as well as OTK.
He might be one of the biggest retards of all time, second to Johnny Somali and Vitaly.
King and Mythic Entertainment and Emiru himself. So Emiru also named...
It's just like... he keeps making the wrong decisions every single time. I'm gonna move myself down.
As a defendant. Now, today we're going to be going over specifically the motion by Asmongold. So we're going to go over Asmongold's motion to dismiss. There are other counts in this lawsuit, so it's not just...
Asmongold doing a motion to dismiss would be a blessing for Mizkif for all of this to just go away.
Asmongold. All of these parties have different counts against them, and they do need to knock those out one by one, but Asmongold is trying to get himself removed from this, and he very well may be successful in that. Now, of course, Emiru is still party to this and still very much involved in this, and Mizkif over here, the plaintiff, making statements about Emiru that, especially in Texas, as we've covered other Texas cases, can get you a temporary injunction, which may end up where you can't...
Asmongold doesn't even need a lawyer to own Mizkif. Asmongold could literally hire Tectone to be his lawyer and still win.
Speak about them online anymore. We've discovered that is indeed a very easy thing to do in Texas, right? In certain counties in Texas. And indeed, that might be something that Mizkif ends up with if he keeps speaking up about Emiru like he did recently, and issuing implications about her. So let's jump right into this. First of all, this is from a court document that was filed right in the beginning of February. The fun thing about this in this case, and this is a public document, anybody can look these up. These are available to quite anybody with this case number. It's a public document. One thing I do like that was corrected here is, that
would be a conflict of interest, however. True. Still, I think he'd still win.
The parties that were put accurately, the defendants are accurate in terms of Asmongold and Emiru, but Mr. Mizkif, who tried to hide his identity there, was kind of called out by Asmon and said, hey, if you're putting my information out there in the lawsuit, I'm going to correct the record and get you in the lawsuit. So what it is a motion to dismiss pursuant to Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 12b-6. So I'm going to get into the specifics here. So Mizkif filed this defamation claim against Asmongold. So specifically, he's a count of this. One of the counts of the lawsuit. This lawsuit is made up of several counts. There's other claims against...
Suing OTK and Mythic is probably the worst decision out of all of them, because those are actual organizations where I know that he did some shit for himself to get sued. Like, why are you trying to sue them? That's so dumb. He's an emotional freak is what it really is, and he just had too much money and too many lawyer friends to know it's good for him.